Careful now. Hold still. On your own now, honey. Keep pedaling.
I love you, New Focus. What's that? It's sync with my Ford Touch, and it's awesome. Try it. It controls my phone, music, and tells me where to go. Cool. Check it out. It gets up to 40 miles to the gallon on the highway. Sweet. Let's go to the best ice cream shop in the country. Yep, girlfriend. We got some ice cream, and you don't have none. We get some ice cream, and you can have none.
Let your inner child out.